We're here cooking outdoors with our big bull roll-up, and this is our camp setup. We have an outfitter stove and 3 cast iron skillets, all the same size. They can all stack away and they use the same amount of space. Hi, I'm Jim Markel with Red Oxx Manufacturing. What I like to do is when I'm cooking here, I can get one thing going here, another here, and another here. And then if you're combining ingredients, say with a base meal, and then you have like some vegetables cooking over here, to keep it all warm and maybe simmer it, you can then set the other cast iron on top, like so, creating a seal, and now you have a Dutch oven. It's like 3-card money. First off, we need this, and we'll need some of our prep bowls. Clean up. Okie dokie, we're ready for some food. I like to say my first rule of cooking is scour the house for ingredients, and my second rule is everything is ingredients. Whether you're borrowing from other campers or hitting a roadside fruit stand along the way, just do a little foraging and you can add to your basic meal on the fly. Let's see what we have today. I got a little bit of beef, got some vegetables in here, cabbage, some potatoes, onion, a little bit of garlic. This right here travels really, really well. It's incredibly durable, especially cabbage. I know a lot of people think they don't like cabbage, but they've never had me cook it, so we'll see about that. Oh, little surprise here, little lime juice. This doesn't spoil, takes up very little space, and that's a lot of lime juice in a little bottle. So everybody likes a baked potato. So how do you bake a potato in a pan? Well, let me show you an old trick. Because all my pans are the same size, they form an oven. So to keep them from sticking and to make them so they're easy to serve individually in the field, we'll do the old baked potato wrap. So take some aluminum foil, wrap it around them, go with like a medium-high heat, throw that in there like that. So this is all about, field expediency, right? You want to keep your cleanup to a minimum. No need to get crazy. Some people are perfectionists. I'm more of a like, hit it and get it. All right, now we have our heat. We have our potatoes taken care of there. Now to make the process go faster, we seal them inside of this. And wham, away we go. And now you can just kind of set that over there on cruise control and forget about it. I really like cabbage for traveling, like I was saying earlier. It's usually like the last thing I add to the meal to keep it crisp. We're going to render the meat, the fat off the meat, for oil for the pan. Another trick I've found, like when you're traveling with large groups of people, it's much better to go with cut meat. That way you can proportion things out evenly versus somebody, eyeing up the big steak going, oh, I really wanted that one. As you can see, the fat on this meat will render into the pan. And this is the great thing about cast iron. A lot of times they retain a little bit of whatever it is you've cooked in them previously. A little bit of pepper. You've got some sea salt. Always good to keep your salts up when you're traveling, if you're getting dehydrated in the desert. We've got some cooking wine here. And these are little handy Nalgene bottles that we have, of course, available at redoxx.com. And that smells great. Now we need to chop a little onion for this. I like to start the meat first because I like my onions a little crispy. Here we have some locally grown garlic that I picked up at the farmer's market. It's got a wonderful aroma. Kind of smash it a little bit to release the flavor. And that's basically it. We'll add the cabbage at the last bit and some wine. That's on low heat, guys. How about some curry instead? Give it a little bit of snap. Now, these little systems are pretty cool. And that's really basically all there is to it, guys. You can cook up a good hearty basic meal on the fly. Not a lot of handling of the product. You just kind of get it in the pan and let it cook up as a single pot meal. Over here you've got an oven going with some baked potatoes. Good meat and potato fare. All right, let's eat.